what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to pick up the black. And there it goes, right onto my paper. And we're just going to put it right all over here. It's okay if it goes into our design. We don't really care. It's alright. Pick up some more of this black. And we'll just put a little more through here. And pick up our white. And there we go. Just get this going. Pick up some more white. Just let it drop. That's alright. We can just let it drop. Alright. Let me get this off my little knife here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab ourselves an actual brush. And we're going to start painting. Since I'm on this side, we're just going to go right ahead. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to keep the design you got. Oh, we don't need to keep that. We'll just do it that way. And we'll just bring some of this down. There we go. And look at that. We already got part of this painting done. Now I'm going to go ahead. I do wish I had more paper towels in front of me. Because I do want to take off some of that paint. It's just, that was a lot. Now I'll go right ahead and bring this to this side. And just bring some of this up. Remember, this is all black and white painting, so the one color series. But we're going to do some alterations at the end of it. Just to give it a little something special. Okay. So, as you can tell, my light is coming in from this side because this is a lighter gray. And this is more of a black, a darker gray, if you will. If you want it lighter, you guys, take your white, just add it right in there. Just go right ahead. It doesn't even have to be mixed in perfectly. Who says art has to look one way? Seriously, it doesn't have to be. It's to be the way you enjoy it, the way you have fun with it. And don't let anybody tell you different. You have fun with it. Now, we can go ahead and get the other end. Now, here's the thing. Since I did, let's just keep working with it. Let's see what happens. But now I'm going to blend that in. Let me wipe this off. Oh, how was everybody's Easter? For the people that celebrate Easter, I hope you had a great time with friends and family. And stay safe. We got my daughter, Easter. It was a very nice day. So anyways, we just got this going, okay? We totally can't think of how to say it. My brain literally went dead. My Pear is kind of this shape. We can add different colors in here. Go ahead and add some of this black. Make it a different shade. It's alright. And come up like this here. Da, 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 da. Oops, I just moved the table. The table's moving. And just go ahead. Just kind of give it that round shape going on here. Because it is a round object. So if you think about it, you got like these circles here and circles there. We got a couple of them. They just may be in a different alignment. Let's just give that little shape back right there. And there we go. Just kind of get rid of some of that. Go ahead and bring back some of this. Oops, I picked up the wrong color without thinking. Let me mix some of this color here. I'm picking up a lighter gray to put right through here, and I still did it on the wrong side. See, sometimes it just meant to be different. This pail doesn't have to be a perfectly round shape, because, come on, what is, right? There we go, just do that, come down this way. We'll just go ahead and just do this. There we go. Alright, so we got this far. Now, since I have the light here, I may let it dry just a little, because like I said, these are all newer paints. Only used them a couple of times. One time was, I wasn't so happy with it. But we're going to go ahead and just add some more lightness through here. Kind of blend that out. The lightness is here. That means this is the dark. Okay. So that's how I'm going to do it. There we go. We'll just bring it down through here. Go ahead and give it some little shading right through here. See if we can get a darker gray. I love how black and white work together. And put them together, they're perfect. They're perfect. I mean, I love how black and white paint works together. As you can tell from a few of my other little paintings I've done, I just really do enjoy the black and white painting. I'm sorry, Hopper, you're not getting the sandwich. That sandwich is so hot, I can't even eat it. I'm definitely not going to give it to my puppy. Okay, kind of give it a tall nozzle type here. We're just going to go ahead and pull that down a little like this. Do it in a circular motion. Let's add white through here. Kind of get that going there. What, baby? She's so mad at me. Go ahead and bring some of this white right through here. And right through here. Just bring some of this white. There we go. Alright, you guys. So this is what we got so far, believe it or not. This will be our pear. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right up here. And I'm just going to go like this. Zoop. Then we go ahead and give it our shape. And since it's more on the stem is more on the white side here, we can just give it like a dark underneath, just so we know that there's something standing out there, okay? We'll go ahead and just add some of this in here just because we can. And there ain't no one to tell us we cannot, right? We're just having fun. It's okay. So we'll just do it like this. Because I just want to get some on the very tip. Just want to add some white right through here. And try not to pick up a lot of the, the grays. And what you want, you can also just bring some of this white into your other colors. Because if you think about it, you got your stem here. You got head. And I'm going to bring some more lighter whiteness in here, okay? Just because I kind of want that white there. Because the last step I'm going to do with this, you're really going to want the white there because it's going to hit it off. It's just going to make it work. So we're down here and we got the white. We're going to go ahead up through here. You're going to want to make this a little darker. So now let's pick up our gray, a little darker gray. And we're going to go right in here, and we're just going to put it right through this bottom part, okay? Kind of blend it through there if you want. Bring it through here. We're going to make this side a little darker right through here. I got so much white on my brush, it's not working for me. There we go. Okay. Hopper. It's okay, honey. Just going to go right through here. Now we're just going to make that a little lighter, this a little darker. Let's blend it up so it kind of just looks like a solid black. Bring it back over here and we're just going to add, oops, we got some little spots that maybe we missed. Let's just add it a little darker. Pure pink, pure black paint. Okay? It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to do it all the way. And do it like this. There you go, guys. And it's a little darker. We can take this darker right off this brush. We'll just go ahead. We're just going to grab another brush, okay? Because I just want solid white. I just want the paint white. We can bring this right over here. And we'll just bring some of this up through here. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and just pick up a little bit of the black here. Okay, I'm just going to kind of bring it right through here. And we're just going to get that. We're just going to get this here to go. Alright, folks. And until it dries, that's it. I'm going to bring some more of this white. Just put more white right through here. I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to go with this green because I know this green will work. And I'm going to put some green here. And once again, I'm using the Dollar Tree. This is a light green. And not that it's really transparent, but it's going to work for what I want. Now, next step is put it on tissue or something, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to do this. Take up some more. My tissue is ripping. Kind of sucks. We can use our hands, whatever we want. Yep. See, that's what I was afraid of with this paint. But we started it. Let's finish it. I don't like how my towel's ripping, but who cares? It'll work. It's just a trial and error thing. Okay, you guys. So now we did that. We can go ahead, add extra, take away, make it thicker. But if you have the right kind of paint, which this does work, and I like it, but I have to just, I don't know, the tissue, I think, because it's breaking, so I'm not half thrilled. So anyways, there's our little coloration to it, and you know what, if we want more colors, we can add more colors. There's no limitation, but whatever you want to make it be. We're going to go ahead and bring this green right through here. We're going to make it thicker. We're going to do it all way. There we go. Really just want something more. So, to get that, I'm going to go ahead and take my magenta, which this paint is really, like I said, it's not. Take some more of this paint, and why don't we just like add a little here, okay? There we go. We have a little here. Maybe we should go, you know what? Instead of wiping that tissue off, oh my goodness, look at that. Let's make it stay. Let's turn it into part of our painting. There's no law that says we cannot. And there was, well, we're going to do it anyways, right? Because that is awesome. Remember what I said? Sometimes things are just meant to go a different way. Doesn't mean it's right or wrong. It's just meant for something else. A different direction. I love how that is tearing off. So, because I like doing things where blind people can touch it so they can see all too. For those that know, Grandpa is blind. Legally blind. So, we're just going to add some of that color there. And you know what? I really like thick that is. And we're just going to do this. I'm going to go ahead right through here. We're just going to let it tear off the paper and turn that into part of our painting. Awesome, awesome, people. I love this. I don't know why. This was an accident, you guys. It's because my tissue tore apart. For those of you just joining us. And I decided we're going to go ahead and use that tissue as part of our painting. What do you guys think? I mean, who says it has to be one specific way? We went from just black and whites and grays to greens and pinks. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for joining me. Bye.